Google is making some enhancements to discovery ads for advertisers. So the first announcement here is product feeds. In addition to the existing layouts like square, carousels, and portraits, product feeds are now available to all advertisers. And this allows you to show people items based on their interests and intent. And Greg, you said we were part of the beta and you already set this up, right?
Yeah, so I've been using this. It's very nice where it operates exactly like a shopping campaign would, where you can import whatever feed you're looking for, and then you can go into product groups. So it's unlike Performance Max that uses, I already forget, product lists or list groups or whatever, but it's called product groups, and you can just choose what products you want to pull into this feed. So I just set one up. I took a certain category literally before this show and put all of the creative in, and then I brought the feed in and I set up a product group right to that specific set of products that I was looking for. And in this case, I was using audience segment towards people that have looked for similar products. So that was my audience I'm using. And then I just matched the product group to those products specifically, and then put all the creative in that, again, kind of matched that. So it's a nice way to bring that shopping flair of all the different products, and you can swipe through many times right into your discovery ads. So again, I'd say if you haven't used it before, it's similar to like I guess like a DSA with a feed, or I don't want to say Performance Max, but with Performance Max, you can also limit it down to those, I think it's listing groups in Performance Max, because God knows you can't have anything the same.
Yeah. Might be a good time to check out discovery ads if you're a retailer and haven't already. The second part of this announcement is they say they're improving reporting and measurement. So they say product level reporting will launch later this month. Quote, advertisers can track how their Google Merchant Center catalog items are performing in product feeds against metrics like impressions and clicks. Discovery advertisers will also be able to use data-driven attribution. And they talked about how people saw an increase in conversions with using DDA, and I'm like, yeah, because it's Google picking the attribution, whatever.
This is also big because you can then kind of craft what that product group is, right? So if you're looking and you pull in, let's say, a certain category, let's say running shoes or something like that, and maybe you've got something that's got a pretty horrific photo, and when you look at it, it's got a high number of impressions, a low number of clicks. You're not going to see it at that product level, so you might be able to go in there and say, I'm going to break it down by item ID, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to exclude this product because it's underperforming, bringing down your whole discovery campaigns in general. So that's nice. Also like a very nice feature.
And finally, Discover advertisers will be able to use conversion lift experiments to measure incremental conversions based on either users or geography. And to use that, I guess you need to reach out to your Google rep, but it's available if you want to ask. So lots of cool improvements coming to discovery ads.